dudes, we haven't recorded in a long time. We're in isolation right now, but now we're back in action. So today we're going to be doing the beautiful Burnley, and we watched Scientist Phil on RTE Hub Lab. So I know this is going to be very messy, but we're the messy dudes and we like to be messy. Okay, so first thing we're going to be doing is these tiny balls. They're very, very light. So,
Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this on.
okay, now let's see what's going to happen. Okay, take two. We found out, you see these balls, don't use them. They don't use it. Prefer using the bit of heavy balls. So, now let's try these balls. As we can tell, they're a lot bigger than those small rubbish balls. So, turn that on, Ralphie. That's maximum overdrive. Okay, now, let's go. Now, how about now with two? Will they float together? I don't know. Okay, got one, but not the best ones. So,
Yep.
oh, God.
Not it.
Okay, now these ones. I betcha they're going to float because they're the biggest balls, but they're still very light. They're not heavy. So turn it on. Okay. As you can see, not the best. Okay, the next time, because Alfie put in too much power, that made the ball go flying. So, put in one click. Wait.
Hey!
As you can see, this is a definite work.
Access.
It works. Good. Let's do it again.
Oh, okay.
With maximum power this time. It works a lot better. Oh. So this one is a success. So if you keep that on the table,
Finally.
you don't have to throw it. Now, these ones, as you can see, they're not different to these ones. I think these are going to work better is because they're different material than this. So, a lot harder, and they're made of plastic. This is, so, let's try not much power this time.
Wait, when I do a maximum?
No. Oh! Okay, let's just do that one more time. Okay.
Let me turn that way.
Next time, now, because as you could see, the ball is a lot heavier, so we need to put way more power. Put it full blast. Okay. It can work, as you can see. Try another one. And they work. As we can see, they work, kinda, but one ball definitely works, two balls not so much.
The baloney.
Now, let's try the balloons.
Okay.
As you can see, it's a bit punchy. Don't think it's going to work, but there's something in it, and this is what it's in it. So, let's try this. Okay. It's a success. Did nothing. Now, how about this one? It has fences. Oh, pretty. And that. Oh my God. Okay. This is a very good one. Now we're going to try one with no coin. As you can see, you can't hear things, so turn it on. No coin. are going to try one more thing. It's a Lego surprise it's a mini thing you build. We're going to be building this random thing in another video, but we're just going to see, can it work? Maybe. Okay. As you can see, yeah, it works. It only gets like, I don't know, the tiniest thing off the ground. As when I was looking, it wasn't even nearly off the ground. But it was off the ground. Oh, whoopsies. Okay. So that was the beautiful Bernoulli, and like and subscribe and comment down below which one is your favorite. It could be the balloons, the blue balls, this little thing, Lego surprise, or these balls.